Was my first YouTube paycheck enough to cause me to quit my full-time job so that I could pursue YouTube full-time? Well, you'll find the answer to that question in a little bit. Hey everyone, Eric here and welcome back to the channel. A bit of a different video today, not your usual credit card or finance video. No, today I'm going to be getting a little vulnerable with everyone and expose how much my first YouTube paycheck was since I was monetized about a month ago. The reason why I'm doing this video is I think it's a really fun video to make, to be extremely transparent with everyone. I think exposing how much I've made on YouTube since being monetized allows others to understand how much small YouTubers make when starting out. And even more so because I'm in the financial niche, so my RPM and CPM levels are a little bit different from everyone else's on this platform. And if you don't know what the acronyms are that I just talked about, don't worry, I'll be explaining them throughout this video. Reason number 2 is that I kind of want to talk about the mistakes that I've had and the successes that I've had since making this YouTube channel so that others can learn from them. And reason number 3 is I feel like this video is a great way to document my YouTube experience, similar to how if you go on my YouTube page, the first video that you'll see is a video thanking my first 100 subscribers. So if you want to join the journey and support this YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and with that, let's get right into this video. So I got an email from YouTube on October 9th, 2022 stating that I had completed the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour goal that you need in order to get YouTube partner. I remember that night very vividly because, well, it didn't really happen that long ago, and also a bunch of my YouTube friends who are also credit card creators, you might know some of them. If you don't, I'll put all of their links in the description down below, were cheering me on that night when I was reaching 1,000 subscribers. After doing a very minute amount of paperwork, I was officially approved for the YouTube partnership and monetized on October 11th, 2022. I remember when I got that email, I scrambled how to get out of my bed so that I could hit that green $sign button on all of my videos so that I could start making money officially as soon as possible. So here's the chart of my YouTube studio where the first blurred bubble is my estimated revenue, the second is my RPM, and the third is my CPM. But we're going to save the best for last, so we're going to be going in backwards order. As you can see from the chart, it's generally the days I post videos that I make the most money off of YouTube, because those are the days that the algorithm pushes out my content to new audiences the most. I think my first day I made money, which was October 11th, 2022, the day I got monetized, I made $1.59, which was still crazy to me because when you quantify it, that's like a fifth of a Chipotle bowl. Then $2.91 the next day. On the humps, I made $21.57. This day was crazy. I felt like I was on top of the world. I mean, I basically paid for 2 Chipotle bowls for free. This was a day I kind of felt like I made it, figuratively speaking. The funny thing is, I also would like to say I don't think this graph of my first month represents my first month well. I was still and still am dabbling with new niches that I wanted to make videos about, such as top 5 work from home side hustles or treasury securities reaching historical highs. And unfortunately, they didn't do as well as I thought they did, but as a small YouTuber, I definitely still have a ton of room to learn and a ton of room to grow. The first blurred bubble I'll be revealing is my CPM, or cost per mille. It basically means how much money my video is making off of every 1,000 views. I know for a fact that finance and personal finance creators have one of the highest CPM rates out there, and that's generally because of the ads that are played in front of our videos. We as finance creators talk about finance, so mainly banks and companies that have a ton of money to spend on marketing pay for our ads, so it kind of makes sense that our CPM is a lot higher than everyone else's. Now, I know my CPM may or may not be what you expected. I know that other finance creators that are well more established than I am, like Graham Stephan, for example, have much higher CPMs. I've personally noticed that not all topics within the financial niche are equal as well, such as my top 5 best banks video of 2022 that has a CPM of roughly $30-ish versus my second highest earned video of this past month, which was a What's Happening in the Credit Card World series video that had a CPM of only $17-ish. And continuing my RPM, or revenue per mille, which is how much money I make off of YouTube per 1,000 views, is $7.98. For those that don't know, RPM is a number that creators will look at more carefully because this is the number that YouTube is paying me for every 1,000 views that my videos get. Out of the CPM, I think YouTube will be taking 55% of the ad revenue, and the remainder, which is 45%, is what I take. Now again, I know that every niche on YouTube has a different CPM and RPM rates. For my niche as a finance creator, I'm lucky enough to have picked something that I enjoy making videos about that have a higher CPM and RPM rate than generally any other niche on YouTube. I remember when I got monetized on YouTube, I was extremely hyped because I never thought that someone like me could be doing something like this on YouTube and making money off of YouTube. Being an introvert at heart, I felt like YouTube was an integral part of my childhood. Not saying that I didn't have any friends per se, but I did spend an ample amount of time watching YouTube videos with creators such as Nigahiga and PewDiePie at the time. I was always fascinated by them because they seemed like normal people, not like the celebrities that you see on TV, but someone that you would see without blinking an eye whenever you were walking by them on the street. So to be able to kind of enter their world and start making money off of YouTube was a wild couple of minutes for me to realize. But enough of the vulnerabilities, let's talk about how much money that I've made since being monetized just a month ago, and the number is $190.94. Is this comparable to what you see on other YouTube channels? Did it meet expectations or did it lower them? Let me know in the comment section down below. But onto the additional details. In order for my channel to make $190.94, I accumulated 25,900 views total with over 1,600 hours watched, and I gained 234 subscribers within that time span. In that same span, I posted 10 videos, which averages out to 2 videos per week. Now, looking at this number, it's obvious enough that I didn't make enough money in order to quit my full-time job. Not even close. And roughly calculating how many hours I put into creating those 10 videos within the past month, I'd say I was roughly making $3.81 per hour of work I put in. Now, this isn't glamorous by any means, and I don't see this taking over my full-time job anytime soon. However, with any type of good investment, you're not going to see an insane amount of money from the get-go. Similar to a smart dividend stock portfolio, it's more of a snowball effect that takes time and patience. While $190 can't pay for things like mortgages or fund my daily, monthly, yearly expenses, it can help make my quality of life a little better, such as paying for my Adobe Premiere Pro, which is my editing software, as a business expense, or pay for my Chipotle Bowl 19 times over within a month. But what I would like to point out is that I've thoroughly enjoyed the hours that I put into making 2 videos per week, and I wouldn't trade those hours doing anything else. The process of creating a YouTube channel and maintaining it has been an amazing experience. Seeing each and every one of you that watch my videos and also interact with me in the comment section down below has been an amazing ride. I'd argue that we're in the super early stages of this YouTube journey. I want to thank each and every one of you for being on this journey with me and the continuous support that you guys have shown me over the course of this year. I definitely couldn't have made any amount of money if it weren't for you guys. I hope this video was insightful for those of you out there that want to start your own YouTube channel or want to start any type of side hustle at all. I definitely now understand the slogan, slow and steady wins the race. And I hope this video was able to satiate that curiosity about how much small YouTube creators, specifically finance creators, can make on this platform within their first month of being monetized. I'm excited to see what the next chapter is of my YouTube journey, and I hope that every one of you stays for the ride. Make sure to check out the other content that I've been making on this YouTube channel. I am primarily a credit card YouTuber, but I am branching out to other financial niches. Thank you again for all of your support. Until next time, everybody. Stay safe out there. Peace.